into platforms capable of conducting surveillance, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and even direct combat. The MQ-9 Reaper, an upgraded version of the Predator, became the workhorse of drone operations. Larger, faster, and more heavily armed, the Reaper could carry up to 4 Hellfire missiles and 2 500-pound laser-guided bombs. On the other end of the spectrum, the RQ-4 Global Hawk provided unmatched surveillance capabilities. With its long range and high-altitude operation, it could monitor vast areas, providing critical intelligence to forces on the ground. Drones were now an essential part of military strategy, not just in counterterrorism,